Deadly encounters. Terrifying animal attacks caught on camera. Imagine sharing the Earth with 8.7 million species. And some of them aren't exactly looking out for you. Some are spine-chilling, built to bite, crush, or kill if you get too close. From venomous snakes to giant crocodiles, from aggressive cows to prehistoric-looking turtles, today's video has shown you nature at its most terrifying. Every encounter we've seen proves one thing. The wild doesn't follow human rules. It's unpredictable, relentless, and astonishingly powerful. Even creatures that seem harmless can turn deadly in seconds. If your heart raced at least once, hit that like button, share this video with someone brave enough to watch, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping survival moments. Remember, in the wild, every second counts. Dangerous snakes and survival tips. Snakes are some of the most underrated and misunderstood predators on the planet. One bite from a venomous species can paralyze your muscles, stop your heart, or even kill in a matter of minutes. They don't wait. They strike with precision and speed that humans can hardly process. The key to survival isn't bravery, it's understanding and respect. Never make sudden movements. Keep your distance. And under no circumstances should you attempt to pick up a snake without professional guidance, especially one that's aggressive or unpredictable. A single mistake, a split-second hesitation, could be your last. Some species can strike faster than the eye can follow, and their reflexes are honed by evolution to be deadly. Awareness, caution, and knowledge are your best defenses. Respect the snake, and it might just let you walk away alive. Ostriches, nature's speed demons. You might laugh at the idea of running from a bird, but ostriches are no joke. These giants are built for speed and power, with legs strong enough to deliver bone-crushing kicks. They can maintain speeds of 30 to 37 miles per hour over long distances, and in short bursts, they can sprint up to 43 miles per hour. That's faster than most humans can even think about running. Their legs aren't just fast, they're lethal. An ostrich kick can shatter bones, pierce flesh, and incapacitate a human or predator in seconds. And unlike many animals that rely on stealth or camouflage, ostriches are bold, territorial, and won't hesitate if they feel threatened. Trying to outrun one is futile. Their reflexes are instinctively tuned to respond to threats instantly. Even experienced trackers give them a wide berth. If you ever encounter one in the wild, the best strategy is respect and distance. Never provoke, never corner, and never underestimate them. Nature often hides danger in plain sight, and ostriches are living proof that even seemingly harmless animals can turn into lethal speed demons in an instant. Snapping turtles, crushing power. You can't ignore. Freshwater turtles might look slow and harmless, but appearances can be deadly. Adult male alligator snapping turtles are some of the largest freshwater turtles in the world, and their bite is nothing short of terrifying. Strong enough to crush bones, their jaws are a weapon evolved over millions of years, capable of inflicting serious injury in an instant. Handling one incorrectly can be catastrophic. Experts always grip them behind the head and along the shell. Any other way is inviting disaster. Even common snapping turtles are deceptively dangerous. They may be smaller, but their long necks and lightning-fast reflexes allow them to strike from the sides or even from behind. Combine that with their sharp claws, and you've got a predator that can take a human hand faster than most people realize. The lesson is clear. Children should never attempt to handle these turtles, and even adults need to exercise extreme caution. These creatures are living reminders that danger doesn't always roar or leap out of the bushes. Sometimes it moves slowly, deceptively, and waits for the perfect moment. Respect their power, and you'll walk away unscathed. Octopuses, 8-limbed brains. Did you know that each octopus tentacle has its own mini-brain, separate from the central one? That's 8 brains working independently, allowing them to manipulate, escape, and react in ways that can easily outsmart a human. Octopuses may look harmless, but their intelligence and agility make them tricky and surprisingly dangerous if mishandled. Always respect these 8-limbed wonders, or they'll remind you why they've survived for millions of years. Hungry fish and boat safety. Feeding wildlife from your boat might seem innocent, even fun, but it can quickly turn deadly. Aquatic animals are opportunistic by nature. What starts as a harmless snack can attract predators looking for an easy meal. Piranhas, aggressive catfish, or even territorial freshwater fish can swarm in seconds, turning a peaceful day on the water into a fight for survival. The danger isn't always obvious. Some species are small but fast, striking with lightning reflexes, while others are large and powerful enough to capsize boats or injure humans. Even creatures that seem harmless can display unexpected aggression if they sense an opportunity or feel threatened. Nature is a constant lesson in respect. It rewards those who understand boundaries and punishes those who underestimate even the smallest or slowest-looking animals. Every ripple in the water could signal a predator lurking beneath the surface, waiting for the chance to strike. If you want to stay safe, never feed wildlife from your boat. Always keep your distance and be aware of your surroundings. A single careless move could turn your adventure into a nightmare. And a reminder that in nature, nothing is as harmless as it seems. Stray dogs and urban predators. An often overlooked danger is the stray dog. Their presence in towns and cities can indicate societal hazards. While most are harmless, packs of aggressive strays can hunt in groups, and sudden encounters are dangerous. In Russia, for instance, one viral clip showed a pack cornering a lone individual, proving that even domesticated species can revert to instincts when threatened or hungry. Australia, the deadly wild. Going outdoors in Australia is like playing in a real-life death simulator. Almost everything can eat or poison you. Even logs and seemingly harmless objects might hide deadly creatures. Australia is home to 200,000 saltwater crocodiles, capable of growing enormous under perfect conditions. Kayaking in their territory? One wrong move, and that adventure turns into your worst nightmare. Bats, nature's tiny guardians. Bats might freak some people out, but without them, we'd lose bananas, mangoes, avocados, and over 300 other fruits that rely on pollination. They are small, seemingly insignificant, but their ecological impact is massive. Respect all wildlife, even the creatures that don't terrify you immediately. Their importance may be hidden, but their presence is crucial to our survival. Aggressive cows and unexpected threats. Even animals we consider tame can turn deadly. One clip shows a cow determined to ride an ATV, aggressive, unpredictable, and surprisingly strong. Nature doesn't follow our rules. Even in domesticated settings, animals can assert dominance and create chaos in seconds. The lesson? Never underestimate the unexpected. Bears breaking into vehicles. Before security cameras, how would you prove a bear knocked down your gate and broke into your truck? Now these incredible videos show us what was once impossible to capture. Bears exploiting human vulnerability. A bear entering a vehicle isn't just frightening. It's a reminder that when humans share space with wildlife, boundaries are thin. Every precaution matters. Crocodile encounters. Saltwater crocodiles are apex predators, capable of ambushing prey with lightning speed. With hundreds of thousands roaming Australia's waters, even a casual kayak trip can turn deadly. These reptiles have existed for over 200 million years. Their size, speed, and patience make them terrifying hunters. Respect their space or risk being part of their next meal. Survival lessons from nature. What do these encounters teach us? Humans are clever, but nature is relentless. Snakes, turtles, crocodiles, cows, and even bats each have instincts honed over millions of years. The key to survival isn't just bravery, it's knowledge, awareness, and respect. Stay calm, act with precision, and never underestimate an animal, no matter how small it seems. I hope you enjoyed today's reminder that our animal brothers and sisters aren't always in the mood to play our human games. They can take us back to our primitive beginnings in a heartbeat. Which of these encounters shocked you the most? Was it the crocodile, the snapping turtle, or the bear in the truck? Comment below and let us know. If your heart raced at least once during this video, hit that like button, share it with someone brave enough to watch, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping, hair-raising presentations. Remember, nature is beautiful, terrifying and unpredictable. Every second counts because survival doesn't wait.